This 1 Degree Outside video is brought to you by Fluid Form Bio, developing innovative 3D printing living pancreatic tissue to help combat type 1 diabetes. For the first time, you can join this visionary mission. Visit fluidformbio.com or their page on Start Engine to learn more about this exciting work. Thursday early morning post, we call it 1 Degree Outside today. It's the next 24 hours here at the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network and Noyes notes, the big ideas on the forecast. So most of today actually looks great. There's going to be some showers and storms around late day evening. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Heaviest rain's actually going to come overnight Friday night. Now, it rains on Friday for a lot of us. Not all of us, but most of us. But the heaviest stuff is overnight Friday night. And then there's improvement for some of us on Saturday and amazing for all of us on Sunday. Doesn't mean for all day for all of us on Sunday. I only say that because if you look at the Sunday map, this is the golf forecast map. So you're looking for gold, meaning golf gold, right? Just about everybody's in. It's going to feel great, but there might be just a little pop-up shower at the South Shore or Southern Connecticut or Southern Rhode Island by the time we get to Sunday afternoon. Shouldn't be a big deal. If you want more, if you're a golfer, you know someone who is, go to patreon.com/1 Degree Outside. You're looking to become a 1 Degree Outside enthusiast. Over 40 daily maps geared toward golf, and Danielle and I do a forecast discussion for golfers twice a week as well. All right, getting out the door this morning, it feels like the 50s, so everybody may want a little light, long sleeve, but you can lose that later, do shorts and short sleeves, as it feels like the 70s by the time we get to the afternoon, because it'll be in the 70s. You can see just about everybody able to hit or exceed 70. The exception going to be when you make your way out of the Cape, the islands, Block Island, you'll be running closer to 60 degrees, but still really, really pleasant stuff for a lot of us here. Central New England, very much into this as well, with temperatures climbing up to about 65 to 70 in southern New Hampshire up to Manchester. Then you drop to the 60s in the Lakes region. Additional clouds building with a chance of a late day shower in the central and southern Green Mountains. North Country, not quite as warm. We'll be running in the 50s for most of us across the Great North in particular, and that extends up into northern Maine, where high temperatures will be about 45 to 50 in parts of Aroostook County. Most of us do a little better than that in Maine. So again, it's dry through a lot of the day today, timestamp in the upper left. But if I take you out to the late day, you'll notice we start to just pop the Connecticut River Valley, also perhaps in some parts of eastern and southeastern Massachusetts, down and through Providence. A shower may pop up at 3 or 3:15 this afternoon. There's a chance farther to the north. And then once we start getting into the evening, more of these begin popping up. You know what this is? This is warm air coming back high in the sky. So we had this big, cold, upper level pool that was over us these last few days, led to a bunch of showers. Well, go figure. Now, as you get rid of that and get the warmth to come in instead, it leads to new showers. By the time we get later in the evening, areas of rain start developing. Could be a couple of thunderstorms that are embedded in here as well, and that's going to continue into the overnight. Now, notice by tomorrow morning, though, actually, eastern New England doesn't have a ton of rain. It's mostly in western New England. It will slowly advance east. If you're on the Cape and the Islands or you're in central and eastern Maine, you actually wait until later on Friday to get the steadier rain to come in. But you can see that all in our app. It's totally free. 1 Degree Outside weather app on the App Store and Google Play. You'll be able to track the new rain as it comes in later in the day today. Just remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. If you hear that rumble of thunder, storm's close enough for lightning to be a risk for you. That's how it looks for now. We'll see you at 1degreeoutside.com and always atop the home screen of the app.